everyone, my name is Luisa, and today I'm going to teach you how to visualize our dashboard in the most efficient and comprehensive way possible. Our intuitive dashboard allows you to visualize all information from your sales, such as clicks, sales, and commissions, much more easy and centralized. And in that way, you are able to use all of this information in the best way possible to optimize all of your campaigns and improve your results. So after you start and you did your setup process and everything, you are going to go and log in into Clickwire. You're going to enter your login information, of course, and then you're going to have this screen that started. Now, to visualize your dashboard, you're going to go into the left side of your page, of your home page, and you're going to go to the report area where you're going to find dashboards and transactions. You're going to click on dashboards, and there you have it. This is Clickwire's analytics dashboard. It's pretty simple, but clear and complex at the same time. And as you can see, it has nothing, because the one thing that Clickwire has that we like a lot is that we're able to help you visualize all of the information that you want, also from specific times. So this time frame of this dashboard is customizable. If you click on it, you're going to be able to select exact dates that you want to see the information from. So you can generate reports and you can figure out if you did a special campaign, if that campaign worked for exactly those days or not. This personalization of the date is going to allow you to go even deeper into all of this data, and you're going to be able to use it in your benefit to improve your campaigns. Now let's populate our dashboard. We are going to click here and we're going to hit the last 3 days. And there you have it. Our demo is populated. We have information for 30 days. You can see, obviously we can do 90 days. We can do only this month. You can choose any date that you want. Now our dashboard is divided into 3 main blocks. In the first block, you're going to see the 9 main KPIs that we handle on Clickwire. You see commission here. You also see bonus and revenue. In the second row, you see sales, clicks, and conversions. And on the third row, you see earnings per click, average commission, and average order value. Now, if you scroll down, you're going to see the second block. And in the second block, we have a bar chart. And in this bar chart, you can see commission, sales, and clicks, depending obviously on what you want to see, and of the sales that you've done for that specific time frame that you chose. But the cool thing about this part is that you can grab with your cursor and go above every bar chart to select exactly the days that you want to see information specific for that specific KPI or that specific metric. So if we are talking about commissions and I want to see the ones for the 14th of May, I'll just go with my cursor and stand on it, and it tells me exactly how much commission we made that day. And finally, if we scroll to the bottom, we have 9 more boxes, but these metrics are a bit more specific into special information that you want to know. For example, if you want to know exactly how much commission you're getting from each program, or perhaps you want to know which deep link that you created is bringing you the most success, what countries are the ones that you're getting the most traffic and revenue from. Locales means languages, which means the language that the URL is being used for the most. The device type, the devices in general, browsers, operating system, and the user. Now remember that every time you create a deep link with our deep link generator, you are gonna get automatic internationalized tracking links. That means that automatically our system is going to change the deep link that you create so it matches every local area that the link is being opening from. So for example, if I created a link from the Netherlands, but the link is being opened in Spain, then the tracking system will be registering as a link from Spain instead of you having to then create that link over and over again for every single country or language that you're using it from. Also remember that Clickwire integrates very easily with all the leading ad networks that you normally will use. So this means that you're gonna be able to centralize all of your information of all the programs that you're using, and you're not gonna have to open a tab for every single network that you're using. You're just gonna have Clickwire as your center data pool, and it's just as easy as simple as that. If you have any more questions about how to visualize your dashboard, please refer back to this video or to any of our documents in which you're going to be able to see a bit more specific information about our tools. And also, if you have any specific questions that you don't find the answer from, please feel free to contact us through all of our social media or directly through our contact information. We're very happy to help you, and thank you so much.